Morning geocachers. I'm out in York today doing a few caches along the York City walls and just about to head off to the next one. Let's get looking. So according to the app, I'm about 300 or so meters away. Over there in the distance you can see York Minster. Just on this side of the wall you've got Nunnery Lane. Usually a very busy road in York, a bit quieter at the moment because of the lockdown. As I've said in some of these other videos, one of the nice things about walking the city walls is you do get to see it from some different perspectives. Although the only thing I find on this side of the walls, this is just in that direction, it heads towards the train station and Queen Street, and it's just not quite as scenic as the other side where the Minster is on the other side, you know, where it is on the other side of the Minster. Which you'll know if you've seen some of my other videos on these in this series. So that big building in front of us, that's All Saints Roman Catholic School. And that's Nunnery Lane car park. What a gripping view. Don't I just take you to all the best places? Now this is saying I'm not far away, and I'm only pointing the camera that way for the minute because I'm just checking for muggles. Because it's one way, so they can only come this way, and we're going that way. I believe the cache is on the other side of the bar. Oh no, I actually found it already. Well, that one was much easier than I expected. I've got to admit, the clues for this are so easy. Pretty much tells you where they are. In areas like this where there's a lot of pedestrian activity and muggle activity, you've got to make it as quick and as easy as possible. That's that sign. Presume you can hear that dreadful noise in the background. There's something going on somewhere, I can't see where it is. So I'm going to go and put this back and then go on to the next one. So this is Micklegate, and this is Micklegate Bar. And we're going through there. And I'll just show you on the app roughly where we're going. It's about 143 meters away, 135, so not too far to go. Plenty of steps to give me some exercise today. So it's those that are making all the noise over there. Can you see the beetle on the wall? It's been done as a specific landmark. I can't remember the name of the beetle, but apparently it's quite unique to the area. So over there, just beyond the walls, is the railway station. And I believe I'm actually not far away. In fact, I think it's going to beep any minute. Now, there it goes. It's just vibrated. There we go. Nice big canister. Nice big log by the look of it. At least it's nice and dry. Done. So nice short one there. Hope you liked it. If you do, give the video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. If you subscribe to the channel, YouTube will give you a little notification just to say when I've uploaded a new video. But on to the next one. See you soon.